Hello, in front of me I've got MGZS. In this video I'll show you how to check tire manufacture date. To check tire manufacture date, take a look at the tire, and each tire has the special code, starting with dot. At the end of the code we can find 4 numbers. There are always numbers. In this case we've got 0 to 26, which means that this tire was manufactured in the second week of January in 2026. First two numbers indicate the week of production and second two numbers indicate year of production. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.